morning, children. In this chapter, long and short, we have learned different units of length. When we had to measure the length of small objects like the length of an eraser, the length of a matchstick, length of a pencil, we used centimeters. And also we studied that in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters. I hope children you remember I had shown you the scale, and in the scale the two divisions of 1 centimeter were divided into 10 equal parts, and each part was 1 millimeter. Also, we learnt about 1 meter, and I cut a ribbon and showed you how long is 1 meter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Now, children, if you have to measure the distance between Delhi and Agra, how will you measure it? You can't measure it with the help of meters, beta. So, we should have another unit to measure very long distances. So, children, we have another unit to measure very, very long distances, and that unit is kilometer. In short form, we write it as km. I'm sure all of you must have heard about kilometer. So, in 1 kilometer, there are 1000 meters. I'm sure all of you must have made a 1 meter ribbon or 1 meter rope. You must have cut it and made it with and kept it with you. So 1000 such parts when joined make 1 kilometer. So today, children, we are going to study maps, and we are going to study the map which has been given in our book, the map of Agra, where they have shown the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Yamuna River, the railway station and other things. So let us start and study the map of Agra from our book. This is the map of Agra, and it has been drawn in your textbook on page number 57. Okay, you must have seen maps like this. So, children, Agra Kent railway station to Taj Mahal. Okay, this is Agra Kent railway station, and this is Taj Mahal. Now, from Agra Kent railway station to Taj Mahal, the distance is 5 kilometers. Now, children, you must be wondering, what is kilometer? You have learnt what is meter. I showed it to you in my last video. Now, children, 1 kilometer. Kilometer we write as km as the short form. 1 kilometer is the distance which is equal to 1000 meters. So remember, children, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. You have to keep it in your mind always. So just learn this. So children, the distance between Agra Kent railway station and Taj Mahal is 5 kilometers. And the distance between Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, okay? This is Agra Fort and this is Taj Mahal. The distance between Taj Mahal and Agra Fort is 2 kilometers. Okay. Now, Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri. Now, children, you can see this road. This is the road which goes to Fatehpur Sikri. So, from Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri, wherever Fatehpur Sikri is, the distance is 40 kilometer. So children, now we have to find which is farther from Agra Cant railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri. Now children, this is Agra Cant railway station and Taj Mahal is only 5 kilometers away from Agra Cant railway station. Whereas Fatehpur Sikri is very far from Agra Kent railway station, because this is the road which goes to Fatehpur Sikri. It has not been shown in the map, and it has been shown that Fatehpur Sikri is 40 kilometers from Agra Fort. So children, Fatehpur Sikri is farther away from Agra Cant railway station in comparison to Taj Mahal. Okay, now children, this line which you can see, this one, this is the railway track. You will see in the maps, this type of line, if it has been drawn, it is the railway track. Okay, now which of this is nearer to the railway line? Badarpur forest or Taj forest? Okay, now children, have a look. This is Badarpur forest and this is Taj forest. And this is our railway line. Now you have to tell which one of these is nearer to the railway line. If you see, Badarpur forest is at this distance from the railway line and Taj forest is here. It is far away from the railway line. Even the closest, if you see, it is this distance. So Badarpur forest is closer to the railway line. Now we have to find out what is closer to the railway line. Agra Fort is closer or Taj Mahal is closer. We have to find out. Okay, now look at this. This is the distance of Agra Fort from the railway line. And if we see the closest distance also, then this is the distance between the Taj Mahal and the railway line. So children, this line is longer or this line is longer? Obviously, you can see that this line is longer. So Agra Fort is nearer to the railway line than Taj Mahal. So Agra Fort is nearer. Okay. Now, which is closer to River Yamuna? Taj Mahal or the railway station? Now, children, this is River Yamuna. This is River Yamuna and this is the railway station. You have to find out which is nearer to River Yamuna, Taj Mahal or the railway station. Now, Taj Mahal has been made bang on River Yamuna and railway station is far away from River Yamuna. So, Taj Mahal is closer to River Yamuna. So, children, this is how we read maps. Now, I request you, please look for more maps and look around the maps and see different things. That is the best way to learn maps. Also, children, I'll tell you another way. I'm sure you must have seen Google Maps on your phones. So Google Maps are being used by your parents to reach their destination when they go to a new place. So I would suggest you also help your parents when they are going somewhere and you are going along. You look at the Google Maps. You will learn a lot about maps while going to some place if you will keep looking at the Google Maps. So children, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.